PDF format is the best format for storing documents as it keeps the documents unchanged. Their formatting remains the same and editing such file is a whole lot of problem. So when you have a file in PDF format, it means processing it requires you to have some tips and tricks available at your disposal. If you need to add further edits to your PDF documents or you wish to change the type of programs to view them, conversion of PDF to other formats is a great option. And that's exactly why today I'll be showing you how to convert PDF to Word and other major formats without using any software in just 2 minutes. Excited? So let's get started. Converting a PDF to Word without any software is a simple task, and for this purpose you will need to use the online websites. And nowadays more online websites are available to do these kind of functions. Now while surfing through the web, I found a website called HiPDF that can not only convert PDF in Word, but using this website you can also convert lots of other file formats such as Excel, PPT, JPG, PNG, BMP, GIF, etc. The UI of HiPDF is very intuitive and easy to use. On the homepage, you will get lots of options to convert a PDF file into different file formats and vice versa. Now suppose you want to convert a PDF file into Word. Simply visit this website from the description down below and select the first option which says PDF to Word. Now navigate the PDF file that you want to convert and select it. This will basically upload the PDF file to the website and start the conversion, which will hardly take 30 seconds depending on your file size and internet connection. Once the conversion is done, you can simply download the file to your PC. That's it. Now by using the HiPDF tool, you can simply convert your PDF file into lots of other formats as I mentioned earlier. Now, if you are going to convert PDF to Word, which may be a sensitive document, then security is a major concern. But you don't have to worry if you're using HiPDF website, as this site focuses more towards the security and all file transfers are secured with an advanced level of SSL encryption. The files also get deleted permanently from the server after 1 hour, so no need to worry about the security. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And for more future videos like this, do consider subscribing and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any future videos from Extreme Droid. So this is Samir signing off, and I'll see you guys in my next one.